guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya Gonzalez, aka Kiss and Makeup 0514 here on YouTube, and welcome to the video. Hi guys, I am back with a video. I know it's been a couple of months. I want to say like maybe 1 or 2 months, but I am back with a new video for you guys. I don't want to go into why I was gone for so long, but I've decided to start uploading at least once a week for you guys. Yeah, so I feel like I got my inspiration back. I am super happy to be back doing videos for you guys. I'm not sure the specific day that the video is going to go up. I'm definitely going to figure out how to work around everything that's going on, but I will be getting one video up for you guys a week. Hopefully I will let you guys know in the next video what days it is going to be on. That way I can be consistent and you guys know exactly what day I will be uploading and what time as well. So today's video is going to be on this look that I did for you guys right here. It is with the new Morphe James Charles palette. I was super excited to get this palette. I actually got it in the Morphe store when it launched on Tuesday. This is the palette right here. It's huge. Like, it is so big, like it covers my whole head. So I'm not gonna go into like a full swatch palette review for you guys because I'm sure you guys have seen a ton of videos out there with those. I haven't seen any videos of the James Charles palette. I tried to stay away from it because I wanted to determine my own opinion on the palette itself. Like I said, I got mine in the Morphe store on Tuesday when it launched. I was so excited, and this is the palette, and I'm gonna try to stay in the frame with the palette, but it's really big, so I'm not even sure. Yeah, I guess you guys can see everything there, but it is a really big palette. I believe that Morphe used to have these type of palettes before where they have like these big size pans in the middle, and also I like the fact that there's like the 2 rows of colors, and then there's some shades up here that are a little color, but it's kind of neutral color. You get some mattes, you get some shimmer, you have a whole lot going on in this palette. This is probably one of those palettes that you can take with you and you don't need anything else. I feel like if you're going away, if you want to do color, you have it, and also if you want to do something neutral, you definitely have that. I did want to do a look for you guys with color, but I wanted something that you guys could recreate, not something that was going to be too crazy where you guys would not be able to wear it on like any normal day basis. So I came up with this, and I feel like this is something that I would wear on a normal day. I know you guys are like, where are you going, Tanya, wearing that makeup? But no, I definitely would wear this on a normal day basis. Maybe not to the grocery store. I mean, if you want to wear it to the grocery store, then that's on you. But probably I would wear this to work or something like that because I just like pops of color. So yes, so I wanted to show you guys how I got this look going on right here. I did do the full face. I didn't just stop on my eyes because I know you guys like when I do the full face. So you guys get to see all the products that I was using. So I'm super happy to be back, and if you guys want to see how this look came out, just keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below to me. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, which is going to be once a week. Like I said, not sure of the day yet, but I will keep you guys posted. Just follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and you guys definitely will get all the deets on everything. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So I wanted to bring you guys in a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. But the first shade I'm going to be working with is going to be this one right here. And this is going to be really difficult because this palette is super big. So I'm going to be working with this one right here. And the shade name for that one is Canvas. So what I'm doing is just going to take a little bit of that and just set my eyes. I've already primed my eyelids with a little bit of concealer, and I did my brows. I'm not doing a lot of this, just doing just a little bit so that I can set everything and there is no creases. So the next shade I'm gonna go in with is called Mary, and that's this shade right here. I am gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna concentrate this right into the crease. So don't worry, it's not gonna be a neutral look we're doing, but I wanna start off with that. I am gonna be using a Morphe M441 brush. This is really loved, as you guys could see, it's really used. But I like it a little fluffy like that because I feel like it like blows out my shadow for me. So I'm gonna go in with that right into the crease. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and that shade is called Single. And I took, this is a MAC brush actually. It's a 217 MAC brush. And I'm just gonna go in and put that in the crease as well and just blend it out. I'm actually putting it also a little bit on the lid, the outer corner, and just blending it upwards. So now just going back in with that Morphe brush, all I'm just doing is blending it out. I have no product on the brush. I'm just kind of just blending everything out and together. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer. This is the Anastasia one, and this one is in 0.75. As you guys can see, I'm almost done with it. And I am taking, what's this brush? I think this is an Anastasia brush. I just don't know which one it is. The numbers might have rubbed off. But anyway, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just cut the crease just a little bit. I'm not going to bring it too far inside. I'm just going to bring it right in the beginning. So that's as far as I want to go. I don't want to bring it out anymore. So I think I want to go in with this gold right here, and that one is called So Good. So a lot of times those shades, I don't really like to use a brush. Sometimes I will use my finger and it'll come out so much better, and exactly what I thought. So it does come out a lot better when I use my finger. The only thing is I can't really get into that crease right there just because of my nails, but I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to take this Morphe brush, and this is the M161 brush, and I'm going to try to pat this in the inner corner. So now going back to that shade called Single, that purple shade, all I'm doing is just putting that really slightly into the crease and blending it out just a little bit so I can cover like any concealer that I have left. And then I'm just gonna go in with this Sigma brush. This is, I think, a E30 brush, and I'm taking that same shade and just going right in the crease. So I don't think I'm going to do a wing liner for this look. So before I do anything, I'm going to pop on these lashes. These are Kiss lashes, and these are in Teddy. But first, I'm going to coat my lashes with this NARS mascara in Climax. Okay guys, so I popped on my lashes off camera because they were giving me a hard time. So I did go in with this shade right here, this orange shade. It is called 518, and I just took that on this brush right here and just kind of blended it right into the crease, and nothing crazy. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face. So first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, and then I'm gonna come back to the eyes because we are not finished with the eyes. I want to smoke out the bottom lash maybe with some blue or something like that. So going straight into the face, I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I like this primer because it's really smoothing, and it also feels like a moisturizer. It doesn't necessarily have like that silicone base to it, so that's why I like it. So I'm just going to be popping that all over my face. So I'm going to go in with two foundations today. So I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is my third bottle. That's how good it is. I love it. I use medium olive, and then I am going to go in with Peach Perfect, Too Faced's Peach Perfect foundation. And because I did self tan, as you guys can see, I'm a little tan right now. This one is in Honey, so I'm just going to blend it in together. So I am going to use my yellow beauty blender, and it is clean. It's just stained a little bit, and I got some eyeliner on it that just won't come out. So I'm just going to put that right here on my beauty blender, and then I'm going to mix in this Honey real quick because that's what's going to give me a little bit of a darker shade, and just kind of mix it in on the beauty blender. And I'll probably go in and do this a second time too, but I'm just going to take this and I'll start on this side of the face. So now I'm just going to take this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this one is in vanilla, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes to conceal like I normally do. So now I'm going to go in with my collab powder. This is their This is their Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder, and I've been setting my face with this a lot, and you can find this in Sally's. I think it retails for like, I want to say $16, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to put this underneath the eyes and where I put that concealer at, just to bake for a bit. I'm not going to leave it on for too long, but I'm just going to bake it just a few seconds. And I'm also just pressing it into the skin as well, not to have it like sitting on top of the skin. So I'm just pressing it in. So now I'm just using this Sigma brush and I'm just dusting that off, because like I said, I don't like it to sit for too long. So a few seconds is fine. And then I'm gonna go in and set my face. So I'm going to set my face with this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is medium golden. This is my go-to to set my face. Like, I cannot use anything else besides this powder. I feel like my face does not move. Like, my face does not move. That sounds crazy. But like, I feel like my foundation does not move throughout the day whenever I set my face with this. And it's the medium golden one. They have a dark, they have light plus, they have light. But the medium golden one is the one that I like to use. So now going in with the little bronzer, I am using this Too Faced. This is their Sweethearts bronzer. This is old too. I haven't really found any new bronzer that I really like, so I've been using this one. And this is the Morphe E4 brush I'm going in with to use that. And I just kind of like pat it around the whole thing because I feel like one side is lighter than the other, but it doesn't matter. And then I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to contour and bronze just a little bit. So just going back in with the collab powder, all I'm going to do is just bake underneath here so you can see like that nice cut. Okay, so I am going to go in with my blush now, and I am going to take this e.l.f. palette, if I can get it open here. It's the Modern Metals e.l.f. palette. I've been using this one a lot lately, and I think I want to take this one right here, and I'm going to use the same brush right here. This is, by the way, a Milani powder bronzer brush, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put that on the cheeks. So now I'm just going to go back to the eyes, and I am going to take this collab eyeliner. This is the only one I use because I feel like it just stays put. I think I've talked about this a lot before, but I am going to put this on my lower lash line. I've already tight lined, but I might do a little bit more because it looks like, yeah, I might just do a little bit more tight lining, but I'm just going to put this on the lower lash line. So now that I smudged that out, I am going to use some blue, and I want to go into this blue right here. I'm going to show you guys in the palette. So I'm going to go into this blue right here, and that shade is called Playground. So I'm going to use that, and I am taking this brush here. It's just some eyeshadow brush, and then I'm just going to blend that underneath. So I'm just going to take this darker blue right here, and that shade is called Cola, and I am taking this Morphe E28 brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. So now I'm going to take this shade right here, and this is called Ring Light, and I am going to pop that right in my inner corners. So just going back into that shade called Canvas that we used in the beginning, I'm just going to go right on the brow bone and just blend that in. So for the highlight, I'm going to use this Color Pop highlight, and this is the Super Shock Cheek Pearlize, and this one is in called Lunch Money. So I'm just going to highlight my face with this. So next I'm going to go in with this Patrick Star lip liner, and this one is in Edge to Edge by MAC. And this is pretty pink. It's not like electro pink or anything, it's just like a nice pink shade. And then I'm going to go in with this Kylie Jenner Velvet Lip, and this one is in Harmony. And I think it's a little darker than this lip liner, but it's okay. We're going to just cover it. So yeah, so I'm going to go in with this. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I loved playing with color today. I loved it because I don't think I do it enough on my channel, and I absolutely love the way this came out. Like honestly, I was a little like scared at first because I was like, what are you doing? Like, where are you going with this? But I definitely love the way this came out. You definitely can grab these in your local Ulta. If they don't have them, I know they're gonna restock, and I'm sure Morphe is going to restock them online as well too. So yeah, this is pretty much a hot commodity everywhere right now, and I'm so glad that I picked this up because I feel like the shadows blended really nicely. I didn't have any trouble with the shadows at all. They blended really nicely with each other, and yeah, that's it guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like tutorials like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.